Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, if you're seeing me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I drop in a video. So today's video is a review video and it is about the Wet and Wild Photofocus foundation. This shade is in Mocha. It is really nice, just that it is matte and not dewy, and I'm going to be giving you my thoughts and a demo on how to apply this foundation. So if you're a dark girl, this is definitely going to be your favorite foundation. So if you guys want to know how this sits on my skin and how this looks on my skin, then I think you guys should keep on watching. By the way, I just forgot to tell you, I got this from HOKMakeup for 350 rupees under an offer or something. Actually it retails for 600 rupees and you get 30 ml of product, and this is a glass bottle, so please don't drop it. So this is how the bottle looks like. It has a plastic top with a glass bottom, so if you're gonna drop this, it's gonna break. You should be very careful. The foundation also says it is flashback free, so if you're gonna take a flashback, you're not gonna get that white cast on your face. And this is in the shade Mocha. I guess this is the right shade for me. I think there were other shades like Espresso, but I'm not sure. I got this on HOKMakeup.com, and this actually retails for 600, but I got it on 350. And guys, if you are in my shade, like my skin type, my skin color, then I think you should give this a try because it always retails for 350 rupees. I don't think people just go for Mocha anyway, so that's why it's around that price range. So anyways, I've worn this foundation once previously, and I think it stayed very good for around 9 to 8 hours. But this was matte. I'm not a person who likes matte finishes, and yeah, this was not a dewy type, and this comes with a spatula, and this has 30 ml of product. Yeah, that's it. I guess I think we can go for the demo, and I'm sweating like anything. Chennai is just burning. So let's get into the demo. I think I will be using a sponge because I'm more comfortable with this sponge mostly, and you can also use a foundation brush for this. Now I've not put anything on my face. I've not put a primer. I've just put on some eyeshadow so that I don't look very blah. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this for you guys. It's been a long time since I did a foundation review, and I've heard so much about this foundation. I'm sweating, oh my god. So as you guys can see, it has a spatula. It's a nice thing, but I wish it still had a pump, because you would waste much product if it is not a pump. So I'm gonna go it looks a little bit orangey, as you guys can see already. Don't forget your neck, guys. It's very important to cover your neck. So I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just dab it all over my face. So for this look, I am thinking that I would not be wearing any concealer because I want you guys to see how it looks. And guys, don't forget to moisturize your skin because it's a little bit matte. It has a little bit of a chemically smell, guys. It's not perfumed, but a little bit of a chemical smell. I'm not sure how many of you guys would like that smell. Okay, so this is like one coat of the foundation on my face. I think I still need foundation around my mouth because I have not color corrected it and the pigmentation is not very dark, but I still want some coverage around my mouth and also beneath my eyes because I wouldn't be using any concealer today to show you how this foundation works. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little more. Okay, the smell is pretty strong and If you guys are not a fan of such bad chemical fragrances, then I think you guys should stay away from this product. This is really good because it seals the oil part, because right around my T-zone I'm very oily, but I can see that it seals it up. But I still feel that I would have liked it more if it was a little more dewy like the next ones. I'm going to quickly go and do the rest of my face. Nothing much. I'm not going to be applying any concealer because I just want you guys to see how this foundation looks, and you can see I'm not a person for heavy coverage, so my coverage is usually medium or very sheer. I'm going to quickly apply my lipstick and a little bit of blush and be right back.